Hello there, lovelies. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own DIY volume cluster lash set using these Amazon lashes. And the first thing we're going to do is take our bond in the kit and apply that to our natural lashes. And I like to work in sections when I'm applying my lash clusters. So I'm first going to take the bond and apply it to the outer corner of my eye. And you definitely want to make sure that you have a very close magnifying makeup mirror while you're doing this, so that way you can be able to see exactly where everything needs to go. And I also like to take some of the bond and place it on a container like my makeup wipe, so that way I can take the lash cluster and dip the base of the lash into the glue and then apply it to my natural lashes. And the reason why I like to do this is because it does create a more long-lasting wear for your lashes. And my lashes do not come off until I take them off, so you can definitely get away with wearing them for about 2 to 3 weeks by doing this method. So again, once I have the lash glue applied to the lashes, I'm going to dip the cluster lash into more glue and then place that on top of my natural lashes close to the waterline. But you don't want to get the lashes on your waterline, because when I tell you, you are going to be tearing up, sis, it is no fun. So if you're wondering, like, well, what is the waterline? It's the pink or flesh tone area underneath your eyelid where your lashes are growing out of. So it's like the inside part of your eyelid. That's where you want to stay away from when you're applying these cluster lashes. And another tip that I would suggest when applying your cluster lashes is going ahead and picking out the different sizes that you want. So that's why it's a little bit easier for me to just flow through my application. I already go ahead and take out all of the lashes from the set that I want to use. So for today's lash map, I'm doing a 14, 16, 16, 14, 12, and 12. And I wanted to create like a doll eye look, so that's why I started with like a shorter lashes on the outer corners and longer lashes on the inner corners. And once I have the lashes applied, I'm going to take the seal side and I'm just going to dab that on the base of the lash clusters. And you guys, I'm very generous when it comes to the seal, because I want to make sure that these lashes are not going anywhere. And once I have the seal applied to my liking, I'm going to go in with my fan and just fan the lashes. And you definitely want to make sure that you are pulling your eyelid up like I'm doing right here, because sis, it will get in your eye real quick and it does burn. So definitely just want to make sure you're doing that. And you guys, this is what one layer of the lashes look like. Super duper beautiful, but you know, we got to take it up a notch and get this volume on and popping. So this is what my other eye looks like, and I did do 2 layers on that side, so that's the difference. So when it comes to just giving that volumizing effect, you just want to go in with another layer of lashes. So again, I'm applying another set of 14, 16, 16, 14, and 2 12s. And once I've applied the lashes again on the next layer, I do go back in with some more seal to seal everything in place and then dry them with my fan. And you can also use your tweezers to just reinforce everything. And you guys, here are the final results. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.